When I uploaded a video time-lapse of our extension, I was asked many times how much it cost. Whilst how much you spend on these projects could be considered a personal thing, I feel it might help someone out with their expectations and planning for their future. We certainly really didn't know until we got deep into this how much it will cost in total. And let's be honest, it's just interesting, isn't it? Like how much these things cost, what people spend these days, etc, etc. We kept a track of all our spending during the renovations, however some of the costs are a confident estimate. So I'll go through as many aspects of the build as possible, however I will prefix this with, we chose a builder who also project managed. So he sorted all the individual trades and managed the build itself. It can be done by yourself if you know what you're doing, and you can hire all the individual trades yourself. This was the route that we chose to go down, and it potentially could be cheaper if you do a lot more yourself. However, sometimes it could actually even end up costing you more. So let's start downstairs in the kitchen, as it's always a big expense. As part of our renovation, we knocked through into our current kitchen to create a bigger one. This set us back £13,000. This is including the units, the worktops, some appliances, a hot tap, flooring, decoration, and external bifold doors. It should be noted that we fitted the flooring in kitchen units ourselves to save some money. The kitchen and all the following amounts do not include build costs. I'll come to that later. The utility and WC cost us around £300. We reused the old kitchen to save some money here. Again, we fitted this ourselves to again save a bit more money. The hall stairs and landing cost around £6,000. That's flooring, decorating, oak banister and a Velux sun tunnel. The front playroom / office cost us around £200 in decoration and flooring. Now upstairs, the ensuite cost us around £570 in materials, £2,600 in tiling, fitting and other bits. So a total of £3,170. The rest of the upstairs rooms were included in the build costs. We just had to decorate and carpet. This is a slight estimate as it's been done over a number of years, however we estimate around £3,000. So the build cost, the big one. We paid for the entire extension up to a plastered and trimmed stage, electric, plumbing, first fix and second fix, apart from the ensuite, and all carpentry completed. It gave us an extra room upstairs and a larger room as well, so it increased one of the room size. It also gave us an ensuite, it gave us a utility and WC downstairs. It gave us a larger kitchen space and then a playroom on the ground floor. The whole cost from the builder was £82,600. We did have some extras along the way, things like better extractor fans, new windows in other parts of the house, changes to the original plans. These extras came to around £1,700. So in total we paid the builder £84,300. There were also some planning costs, building regs, structural engineer costs, etc., which came to £1,325. We were very lucky in that the architectural plans were gifted to us for free, as a family member is a qualified architect. So the total build cost comes to £111,295,000, which is around $140,346,000 in today's money. Bearing in mind this project took place between 2021 and 2022. Since then we've added more and completed other jobs, including landscaping and various jobs inside the house. But as all homeowners know, it feels like these costs are never ending and there's always another one around the corner. I've tried to just include costs from the build and the extension itself, and to get us to a decent livable state in this video. Anyway, I hope you liked the video, found it informative, and can use this information for your own personal projects. If you have any questions, feel free to pop them down in the comments. I'll have a go at answering them. Best of luck.